Hello everyone. Today I'll be explaining about DCL. DCL is the data control language. So we have two commands in DCL. One is grant and revoke. So it's basically, as the name suggests, it's control, data control language. So control is like if I have a table and I want to control whoever is accessing that table, then I can use this grant command in order to provide the access. For example, we have a table test employee. So the owner of this table is user A. Now user A wants to provide grant access to user B. User A wants to provide access to user B. Since the owner is A wants to provide some access to some other user, and here the user is user B. Now, in order to do that, we have a command grant select on test underscore employee to user B. So here I mentioned access. Access means it can be either select or insert or update or any other access. Even we can provide grant all on. Instead of select, even we can give grant all on test employee. On is the object. So here we'll provide the object name on which we want to provide the access. To use after to, it is like to which user we want to provide the access. So grant is to repeat again, grant is to provide the grant access to a particular user, and in the select we can keep anything like insert, update, or even we can keep all. And on is like on which object we want to provide the access. For this example, I am providing on test employee table 2. 2 is to which user I want to provide the access. Now after providing the access, and after some days I want to withdraw the grant access to from that particular user, then in that scenario I will use the revoke command. So revoke is to withdraw the grants that we already provided. So for revoke, for the same table test employee, if I want to withdraw, then revoke select on test employee from user B. Since we are revoking, here we will use from, and for grant we use to. So to explain in detail, revoke is to withdraw the access, and here access even we can keep here all or insert or update, or in this example I am taking select on table name. Here it is the object name from user B. Let's see this example in database. So I'm considering here two users. One is ABC XXAO is a user, and DEF XXTO is another user. So if you come to other users, we have here XXTO user. So now what I will do is I will see for the tables that are in XXAO, and I will provide grant access to XXTO user. I have opened two tabs. One is the XXAO user and other is the XXTO user. Now, if we see the tables here, the owner XXAO holds test employee table. So if I run this, select start from test underscore employee, then I can see the data employee name and employee number. Now if I run the same thing, here the owner is XXAO, so I am making XXAO dot test underscore employee, and if I run the same thing in XXTO user, I got an error, table or view does not exist. Table or view does not exist. Now let's provide grant access to this table. For that I am using grant select on test employee to XXTO, and I am running this. Grant succeeded. So once the grant got succeeded, here earlier we got this error, table or view does not exist. Now if I run this query, I can see the data. So this is how the grant works. Now after providing the grant access, now I will try to revoke the select access from XXTO user. So for that I will use revoke select on test underscore employee from XXTO. So I am revoking, I am withdrawing the select access from XXTO. Revoke succeeded. Now if I try to run the same table, table or view does not exist. This is how the DCL commands work. Thank you.